Salaam alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Once upon a time, in a bustling city nestled between mountains, there lived a humble beggar named Ali. Despite his poverty, Ali was known throughout the city for his unwavering faith and kindness towards others. One scorching summer day, as Ali sat by the roadside, a wealthy merchant passed by in his extravagant carriage. The merchant, adorned in fine silk robes and surrounded by opulence, barely spared a glance at Ali as he continued on his way. Feeling a pang of sadness, Ali whispered a prayer for the merchant's prosperity and continued to sit in the sweltering heat, his heart heavy with the weight of the world. As the day wore on, a stranger approached Ali. Unlike the merchant, this stranger was dressed in simple garments, yet his eyes shone with warmth and compassion. Without hesitation, the stranger offered Ali a jug of cool water and a loaf of bread. Gratefully, Ali accepted the stranger's gifts and inquired about his generosity. The stranger smiled gently and replied, "In serving others, we find true richness of the soul." With those words, the stranger vanished into the bustling crowd, leaving Ali with a renewed sense of hope and purpose. From that day forward, Ali dedicated himself not only to seeking alms, but also to serving those in need with whatever little he had. His acts of kindness touched the hearts of many, inspiring others to follow in his footsteps. In the end, it was not Ali's poverty that defined him, but rather his boundless compassion and unwavering faith. And so, dear friends, let us remember the lesson of Ali the beggar. True wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the richness of our hearts and the kindness we show towards others. As the Quran teaches us in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:261, the example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed of grain, which grows 7 spikes, and each spike is 100 grains. And Allah multiplies His reward for whom He wills. And Allah is all-encompassing and knowing.
Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. If you found this video inspiring, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more uplifting stories.